getting back from work. Oh yeah, there's a tornado watch. So there's 10% that there's gonna be a tornado. Let me just watch TV. Okay, let's watch the news. Yes. Breaking news. There's gonna be a tornado. What? It's located in Brookhaven and it's by the daycare. What the heck? We have to prepare for that. What the heck? Wait. Bruh. Why is this light on? Like, oh, it turned off now. I think I should hear the tornado. Where do we hide? It's by the daycare. No, where is that? Where's my phone at? Let me just paint before it happens. Done. I control Madden games. It's 2 p.m. Let me see if I can turn the lights on. Doesn't even turn on. Oh well, here it turns. It's in here. Well, I'm not getting it here. There's a little pool in here. It's behind here. Okay. There's gonna be a visitor at our house tomorrow, so. And the people that are visiting our house is in our family, so. And it's in real life, not Brookhaven. Well, the tornado is now in the house place. That's really not good. Okay, I have to go inside of the house. Where's the house at? Kidding me. I thought that was the door. Where's the basement? I'm hiding in here. Okay, no. I'm hiding on the toilet. Oh, where's my phone at? Okay, I found it. Let me hide in the closet again. Or in the bathroom. And it's by our house. It's gonna go past our house. And I'm scared. The basement is the only good place to hide in. I'm hiding in the bath now. I'm scared. I'm watching myself before the tornado. Where's the tornado at now? It's done forming. So it's by. If you see this bacon here, run it immediately. Wait, they took a picture of this and me. Because the bathroom's not the greatest place to hide. I want to see if the basement is. I don't have the basement. Then hide in the bathroom again. I don't care if you die or not. What? Let me see if the TV turned off. What the? The TV turned off too. I'm so scared. What am I gonna do? Oh. When is the tornado gonna end? My phone says. My phone's at 99%, so the tornado's gonna be gone tomorrow. What? It's not even the end of the day yet. 6 p.m. Oh, yeah, it's nighttime. Well, the tornado's still out there. I'm not getting killed. Where's the tornado at? It's by all these houses. It's by all these houses. It's between these two houses. What? What am I gonna do in this house? Other houses in this neighborhood. This house, something. This house, it's by all those houses. Oh no, that's not good. I see the tornado outside. What does it say? Can you talk to me? Yes. Pete. We're gonna die. Tomorrow. Respawn point set. Respawn point set. What the heck happened to my house? And why am I at someone's house's house? Oh, what the heck happened? I'm literally at someone else's house. What did I do? Oh, I remember. The tornado destroyed my house. So I don't have anywhere to live at. I hate tornadoes. Make sure to hit that like button and hit that subscribe button. Please. Okay, just when I climb up this mountain, you can subscribe and like. In 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1. You subscribe and like now. Guys. Done. Like and subscribe now. And make sure to hit that like button. And why do I have this face? There, I have my regular face now. Anyways, goodbye.